Hey guys, wanna know how to sign in to BeFunky just by using your Google account? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now first up, open up your favorite browser and type in befunky.com. This will direct you to its official website. Now, in order to sign in, on the top right corner, you can see the sign in button. Just click on it. Once you've clicked on it, make sure you are registered. If you are not, just click here and register. Now, you can see various options from here. Since we are choosing Google, go for it. Now, choose the account you had previously registered from. Click continue. And there you have it. Your BeFunky has been successfully signed in. Now you can edit photos and do whatever you like. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more related videos. See you in the next one.